Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting this video in my new home. I have way more details to tell you, but you can find all of that in my vlog channel. I will link it over here. I already filmed our moving series. Today is actually probably the second hour that we are in this new apartment, so it's still
cleaning time.
Yeah, we just finished cleaning, so it's been a lot. Regarding the houseplants, I will talk about houseplants on my collection a little bit later in the next videos. Today, I quickly want to film an unboxing because I do have email. This is a plant email and it's from one of my subscribers. I'm so excited about this. It was a pretty funny story because we have been talking with this lady. She actually DM'd me and said that she has one specific cutting and this plant is my wishlist plant, so it's very special and exciting. And of course, I said yes. So she decided to send me this. In return, she did not ask for anything, but I still see her address, so I'll try my best to go ahead and maybe send her a card or something like that.
Something from Klaipėda.
Yeah, something from the new city that we're living in. We actually moved across the country, so this is very special and different, and we're feeling all of the feels. And this box arrived to Vilnius, to my previous home, so I asked my mom to resend this box without opening it to me here in Klaipėda, and right now we're in my new home. This came all the way from France to Lithuania to Vilnius.
Then to Klaipėda.
And then it came to Klaipėda, to another side of the country. So it's been in the mail for a while, and we actually have been talking about this plant mail a month or so ago, and at that time I had no idea that we're gonna be moving this fast. So she wrote me that she sent me this shipment when I was on my way to Klaipėda, sitting in the car, and I was like, oh no. Yeah, I do not have any tools in this apartment, no forks, no spoons, no knives, so I'm gonna be using the apartment keys, which is kind of freaky. Also, another thing that I do not have any soil, any pots in this apartment, so we're gonna need to go and buy some supplies. There we go, Sabine. Oh my gosh, this is happening. Okay, I need to save the address. Okay, how do we even open? Oh my gosh, this is packaged securely. It's definitely not easy to open with a flipping key. So we left our home, my home of 12 years and my husband's home of 32 years. So that was so fast. It was a very extreme situation. I shared all of the details on my vlog channel if you want to see that. But yeah, that was an adventure. All right, we are in. Okay, let's do this. Baloo is helping me out. Look at this costume dog. I still do not have the filming spot, so I'm filming in my terrace. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this card. Look at that. Okay. Wow, your writing is so beautiful. Oh, I like the recycling. Oh my gosh, I love the recycling materials. Oh, I love the stickers. I actually was a bit sad because when I moved, I had no space or time to bring my supplies for bullet journaling, scrapbook journaling. And look at that. She sent me so many cool stickers and a mail. Look at this. Agne says I can share the life hack. We just moved over here a couple hours ago and our door was squeaking, so he decided to do a little DIY trick and used olive oil and put that on the like shifts, or how they call it, of the doors, the metal parts, and it stopped squeaking. So genius DIY hack. Oh, look at this spooky ghost, perfect for the summer bean. Oh my gosh, so many cute stickers. Look at those. Oh, plenty one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So many. Are you joking? Lots of beautiful flowers. Oh, I'm so excited to use those in my bullet journal. Cute typing machine. Oh my gosh, look at this donkey. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It looks like Baloo. Yes, this is so sweet. And this is perfect. We just moved to the seashore city here in Lithuania, so this is so ideal. Oh my gosh, it looks like Sleeping Baloo too. So cute. Thank you so much, Sabine. Wow. Wow, the paper is beautiful. Did you DIY this? Look at this. Wow. Okay, we have a couple more stickers. Beautiful blooms of sakuras. That is sweet. Look at those. Okay, we have kids coming in. I'll read the letter first. Oh my gosh, this is going out of hands. It turns out that Sabine has her own YouTube channel. I will link it over here. Go ahead and check her out. Her handle is Pinch of Pepper, which I love. This is so cute. I cannot wait to go ahead and check out that channel. And Sabine sent me so many plants in this box. I have no words. I definitely will need to try and find something cool to send her back because this is way too sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Sabine. And she also mentioned that she have some snacks for me, my husband, and Baloo. So this is so sweet. Thank you so much, Sabine. There are some snacks from France. Okay, so let's dig in and see. OMG. Wow. Are you joking? Okay, let's put the box here to the side. I hope all of the plants are okay. Whoa. This looks so cool. What are those? Okay, it's in French. Okay, let's try it. Wow, this looks so fancy. We definitely need to do an exchange of snacks, not only plants. OMG. Wow, look at this box. I will be reusing this for something. Let's try some snacks from France. Look how fancy this is. What the heck? And there are more plants than one. We're gonna have a problem. We need more pots. Ooh, look at those. That looks very old school. I like it. Let's give it a taste test.
Something with caramel.
That looks fancy. Ooh.
It is the cambrai.
Oh, it's tough. It's minty. Perfect to take on a little walk. That's delicious.
Refreshing.
And you can bet I'm gonna be reusing this for something special. Probably for my scrapbooking. This is where I could keep my stickers. I'll take this out before I finish filming because it will take a while to eat that candy. Right. Okay, we're starting with Mind the Thorns. I think this might be the Euphorbia lactea, the wishlist plant that I was talking with you about. This is the one and only. Yes, it is. It's one and only candy. Sorry. It's one and only plant that I did expect. Look at those little arms. This one looks hilarious. Like, I have a question. Oh my gosh. Okay. Awesome. Tiny variegated cactus. I love this. Thank you so much, Sabine. That's exactly what I was expecting. Something like that. Not all of that humongous box. When I saw the box, I was really confused. I was thinking maybe my mom just boxed it in something bigger or something. Oh my gosh, poor baby, she needs to hydrate. We have Hoya New Guinea ghost cutting. Look at her. I'm so excited about this. This is so ghostly, so perfectly themed. A ghostly cacti. I mean, technically Euphorbia is not a cacti, but a succulent. And we have... Okay, I cannot... Wait, I'm so nervous. Sabine was so sweet in her letter as well. She said that she found me through Fern's videos, which is so sweet and special. And we inspired her to start her own channel. So that is so sweet. I cannot wait to find her videos. Okay, it is a bit dehydrated, but that's to be expected. It was in email for such a long time, so I will go ahead and add it in sphagnum moss because I see there is more sphagnum moss with other plants. Oh my gosh, Sabine, you are crazy, girl. Oh, Syngonium erythrophyllum. Okay, this one is happy. This is the red arrow Syngonium. This is how the back is looking like. This is how the front is looking like. I feel like I'm gonna be filming the whole repotting video on this channel. Probably it's gonna be the next video on my channel because obviously, oh my gosh, I saw another plant. Because obviously we need to take care of these babies ASAP. Probably tomorrow. Oh my gosh, that begonia is so pretty. What? Look at that wings. Okay, how do we open though? I did not expect to struggle this much without knives and scissors. It's great that it's in this packaging because it's airtight, so it's pretty moist in there. But this is Begonia Sinbad. Oh my gosh, I loved Sinbad cartoon when I was a kid, so this is so appropriate and tough to open. I'll be honest.
Walking, following you.
My husband says the plants are following you. I mean, he's not wrong. Okay, yeah, this is all right. I'm so worried. Okay, one leaf did melt, but once again, it's summer, it's hot in here. Let's put it aside. Let's put it aside, okay. Oh my gosh, what a precious baby. I think we need to find a cloche for this terrarium begonia. She's so pretty, oh my gosh. I'm glad that there is some sphagnum moss. I'll add some extra drops of water. Let her breathe in a little bit, get some sunlight. There is tiny baby leaf coming up. Oh, cannot wait to report and show you all the glorious, glorious plants. Thank you so. Oh no, okay, we did lost one more leaf, but this is a begonia. What do we expect?
Everybody knows those begonias.
Yeah, this is why I'm like, oh damn, those begonias. Okay, and another plant. This is a Solanum Ulianum. Okay. Oh, there's a tiny. Oh my gosh, it's just a little baby. Are you joking? I'm not even sure if you can see that. I cannot see the camera. But there's a little tiny baby over here. We do have some melted begonia on top, so let's ignore that. It has a beautiful purple hue. That is so cool. Thank you, Sabine. Oh my gosh. It's such a baby. We definitely need a cloche. Okay. I know. Add to the list. We need a cloche. Don't ask. Don't. A cloche. To keep humid plants humid.
Keep it in bath.
Hein says keep it in bath. All right, we have a couple more snacks. Ooh, how exciting. Ooh, Rita. This looks delicious. I'm salivating. It's actually lunchtime right now. Perfect. Ooh, it looks so rich. Ooh.
Baked yesterday.
Is it honey?
Like so soft.
This is gonna be perfect with coffee. Dingo. Yep. That's delicious. We have one more.
A little bit of honey, waffle.
Thanks, Sabine.
Very soft, but crunchy sugar.
It's kind of crunchy. It has honey inside. I love the waffle.
Crunchy sugar.
Does have some crunchy sugar. It's melting in your mouth. And look what we have. Some snacks for baby Baloo. Baloo, come. Which one you want? Oh, he picked me. Okay, which one you want?
Good choice, Baloo. Good
Baloo.
choice.
Which one you want?
Yeah.
Mama will pick. Let's go with beef. Right now you will smell. Come. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Why are you making it like ice cream? Oh yes. That smells so good. 90% meat. Amazing. Wow. Okay, you ate that too fast, baby. Small bites, enjoy. Enjoy small bites. Come on. Prolong the happiness. Yes, little bites. Bulletproof. Thank you so much. I mean, this was such a sweet package. I will definitely go ahead, check out your channel tomorrow morning, see what you're up to, and I will make sure to bring something your way. Oh, almost missed one more. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Once again, thank you so much to Sabine to bringing all of these special plants my way. These are actually gonna be the first plants in this new apartment because I did not brought any plant, not a single plant from my home. So I feel very inspired and excited, especially to have such a variety, to have a Euphorbia, a Hoya, a Begonia, a Syngonium, and a cute tiny terrarium plant. This is like a perfect starter pack. This is gonna be a beautiful day. Right now I'll go hunt for some pots, and I hope I'll see you in my next video where I'll be preparing all of these plants in new home. Probably show you the spots that I'll find for them, and you know, the rest.
Okay, bye.
The rest of the things. But yeah, we need to go and find something to eat because we have been cleaning this apartment, preparing for us. So exciting times. Once again, Sabine, you nailed it. You rock. I'm salivating just thinking about this candy that is waiting for me. Anywho guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you will join me on more adventures, more plant adventures on this channel, because of course I have many plans for this area, for this place, and once I'm sitting in a humongous terrace that is filled with opportunities. But I'm thinking about the balcony garden and stuff like that, so cannot wait to take you along. So thank you so much for watching. Leave ghost emojis if you watched till the very end. See you later guys.